Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today is the start of a new series on making knives. We have a Western Hunter from KnifeKits.com. I always try to feature a different type handle material in every knife I build, and we'll be using a mirror grip. It's a multi-layered material consisting of G10 and rubber composite. Now I'm going to zoom into the disc, go over a few of the details about this knife. It is a little different than some we've had in the past. As you can see, this is a very nice knife. This one has a slide over bolster, something new to me. It's going to look just like that. Now I'm going to move over to the vise so we can pin this bolster. Now it's time to pin the bolster. I've got the camera zoomed in because I want everyone to see what I have done here. I put the pin in from one side. I left about 1/8 of an inch, maybe 3/16 on this side. Then I took a Sharpie, went around to this side to make me a mark. That way I know about where I need to cut it. So what I'm going to do is put this blade in this vise and take the drillings. We'll cut it off. Lock this down. This way we see exactly what's going on. Get the Dremel going. That should be sufficient. I'm sure there are several ways to do this, but I thought this would be the easiest. Now that we've got the pin in, we can sand the rest of it down when we sand the scales. I've gone ahead and drawn out the scales, and we're going to be using these new saw blades from Olson Saw. They're skip-toothed. They should work much better on this material than previous blades I had. And always remember, wear a respirator, and when you're working with saws, wear some hearing protection. And I believe everyone can see this new blades turned out well. A lot easier to cut, not near as much to sand. I'll cut the second scale off camera, then we'll be ready for part 2. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.